It's VChain time.
What is up, people? It's your boy Lex Money Crypto. In today's video, we're jumping into VChain. Now, before we do start, you already know what my goal is, fam. Go and drop me a like, drop me a sub. Let's find out what is going on with VT. So many of you guys have asked me in recent times, Lamar, it's great that we can hold VChain. It's great that it's gonna change our life, but how much VChain do I need to make $1 million? So in today's video, we're going to look into, as we always do, a lot of the news and the bullish news for VChain. Then we're going to jump into the trading view and we're going to find out exactly how many VChain you guys need to make $1 million and what the current investment would be. Let's get into it. Alrighty, guys. Now, to start off, VChain unveils game-changing node marketplace. A boom for VET holders, guys. So they've got another new marketplace. And if you want to see what the node marketplace looks like, look no further. Boom. You've got manager.vchain.stats.com. And this is the node marketplace. So you've got the VChain Thor node marketplace, buy and sell VChain node tokens, X nodes for or economic nodes. And again, as I said in previous videos, maybe you might have missed it, maybe you're new. If you hold your VChain in like a VChain Sync wallet, so like a native wallet, which is technically cold storage because you control your own keys, then you passively are earning VChain Thor. And you know what, I've got a small wallet here that I can show you guys and we'll see how much VChain. I don't think I've got that much VChain in this one. Let's have a look. So the VChain Sync app looks like that, guys, that little one there. When you open it, you've got this, you've got all the different apps on the VChain Sync. You've got VChain Rewards, Fiat On-Ramp, World of NFTs, or World of VNFT, sorry, which is the NFT marketplace on VChain. And then if you go here, you've got wallets, right? So I may have to blur this out, but I think this is like the low wallet. Okay, perfect. So 18k VChain on this wallet. Lovely. It's not really going to be life-changing, but it's all good. But we've managed to accumulate 1k VChain or VThor over the past, I don't even know how long it's been in here. A few months, 6 months maybe. I haven't touched this wallet. Now, we looked at something like this the other day, guys, and you have to be careful how much weight you put into these patterns, because obviously this is all speculation, but VChain, the forgotten Chinese Ethereum, appears to mirror the consolidation we saw in 2018 to 2020. If so, VChain could break through the 0.33 resistance barrier within the next 2 weeks. The upswing could send VET to 7 cents by late January. That's 150% price increase. Damn, is that so? I mean, we're going to be checking out the trading view in a second, but I do agree that time is running out. You know, I'm not going to try and give a time frame to say 2 weeks. I don't really like doing that, but definitely before the bull run and as the bull run is commencing, we're going to have been taking out a lot of these key levels of resistance. My big level of resistance that I'm sort of aiming for is around that 9 cents to 10 cents, guys. But look, we are mirroring exactly what we did in the last bear market. We're going to come back to this in a few weeks and then we can do a little comparison to see where we are now. And again, guys, I mean, look at this. I see charts like this and again, people won't want to touch VChain because they're going to say, oh, it's not going to run. But they want to touch all the other coins that have run, that did look like this, that are now up here, okay? Make it make sense, guys. If you really have conviction in VChain, this is your last opportunity. I told you guys in previous videos, we didn't really want to buy above 2.5 cents. We've been buying from 1.5 to 2.5 cents for the entire year. So again, 3 cents is probably the max that I want to push it, because I do think there's a potential to get still a 10 to 15x from here. But time is running out. And like I said, the returns are going to diminish the higher that we do print. Once we get to 5 cents, it's not as likely to be getting that 15x compared to what it is at the 1.5 cents to 3 cents, guys. So remember that. Alright, guys, so the price of VChain today currently sitting at 2.935 cents. We have a target of 40 cents for VChain, guys. Yes, I am conservative. Everyone gets at me in the comments because I'm so overly conservative. And I told you guys, I'm not trying to get wrecked in this next bull run. I'm trying to have my plan, have my goals, take profit at my goals, and then I can ride the rest of the journey with you moon boys who's saying it's going to $1. And if I'm wrong, I can say, hey, you were right. But I've already allocated a part of my portfolio to the $1 VChain, and if it never gets there, I'm not going to cry about it because I had my plan at 40 cents. So let's be conservative, and let's say VChain is going to 40 cents. That means from where we are now, it's a price increase of 13x, guys. So remember what I said. Look, the price doesn't seem to have moved that much for VChain on this chart here, but 13x, remember that. Now let's go and compare it to the absolute bear market floor, 1.5 cents ish, where we've been getting it. It then turns into a 25x. So a 13x to a 25x. It's nearly doubled in the space of a 1 cent price move. So for all of you guys who were saying I could get it 1 cent cheaper, I could get it 2 cents cheaper, I tried to tell you guys all summer, don't be stressing about pennies. That's going to be thousands to you in the future. Is it really worth risking another 10x that you could have got for a 1 cent decrease, or whatever that may be, a 20%, 30%, 40% decrease? In my opinion, it wasn't, and that's why we continued to buy at 1.5, 1.7, 2, 2.5, and now 3 as our final one, because we're getting anywhere between a 13 to 25x. Now, let's say it does go to 40 cents. How many VChain would you need? Now, guys, to figure out exactly how much VChain you would need to make 1 milli, you take 1 milli and you divide it by 40 cents. Okay, you divide it, you don't times it. You'd get 2.5 million VChain. Now, guys, how much would you need to pay to get that 2.5 mil? You take the 2.5 mil, and if you were to buy all of it today at today's price, you times it by today's price, which is 3 cents, meaning it would cost you 75k. So guys, it's as simple as that. If you want to become a VChain millionaire today, you would need to pay $75,000, get 2.5 mil VChain, and sell it at 40 cents. No point waffling, guys. So let me know if you're going to be able to make yourself a VChain millionaire, if you're going to be a 100,000-aire, if you're going to be a 10,000-aire. Is that a thing? I don't know. Let me know how much you think you guys are going to make in the bull run, and let me know your price targets. For more VChain content, make sure to drop a like and a sub. Until next time, it's been your boy Lex Money Crypto. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros. ¡Sí!